I teach people how to sleep better, but in my own life, none of it was working. I started to feel like I was a fraud, even forgetting what I just said during TV tapings. But deep down, I knew something else was off. And guess what I found? You may know me as the guy on TV, the doctor with all the answers, but today I'm pulling back the curtain to share something I've never admitted publicly. I was struggling with sleep, and not just once in a while. I mean, really struggling. For months, maybe longer, I'd toss and turn for hours, and finally, when I did go to sleep, I'd wake up more exhausted than when I went to bed. Now, here's the crazy part. I teach people how to sleep better. I prescribe sleep routines, melatonin, gut healing protocols, but in my own life, none of it was working. I started to feel like I was a fraud. I was cranky with my kids, foggy during patient visits, skipping workouts, even forgetting what I just said during TV tapings. I'd lie in bed thinking, you're supposed to have this all figured out. So what's really going on? At first, I blamed stress, work, travel, parenting, all the usual suspects. But deep down, I knew something else was off. So I did what I tell my patients to do. I looked deeper, and guess what I found? My gut health was out of balance. My cortisol was peaking at the wrong times, and the healthy bedtime routine I thought I was helping was actually making things worse. The moment that really woke me up, I was driving home from work one afternoon and I could barely keep my eyes open. I'd slept the night before, but it didn't seem to matter. I felt depleted, like I was running on empty. And that's when I said, enough, it's time to take this seriously. And here's what I did. I cut out screens an hour before bed, started journaling, drank herbal tea, added magnesium, did breath work. Tried everything I thought would help, but the real breakthrough, it happened when I started treating my gut as the control center. I added a targeted probiotic, one that supports gut balance and stress response. I bought an ashwagandha to support my cortisol, balance my blood sugar, stop snacking at night, and committed to the same bedtime every single night. Once I did that, sleep stopped being a battle. It became something healing, something nourishing, and I finally started to feel like myself again. And today, I wake up clearer, more focused, more patient with my kids, more present. And sleep, well, it's transformed how I show up as a physician, as a husband, as a dad. And here's what I want you to know. If you're struggling with sleep, you're not alone and you're not broken. You just haven't found the real root cause yet. So start small, build habits, look at your gut, and don't ignore the signs your body is giving you. You deserve to wake up rested. You deserve to feel whole again. Please drop a comment and tell me what's keeping you up at night. And if this helped you, please share it with someone else who needs to hear that even doctors are human. I thank you for watching, and sleep well, my friends.